We will now solve the numerical. Given data, width B 100 mm, depth D 280 mm. Small b is width of one side shaded portion, which is 45. How we have find out? 100, that is the big width, minus the thickness of web divided by 2, we get 45. Small d is depth oblique height oblique depth of shaded portion. How we have find out? The complete depth is 280 minus 2 into 20 is equal to 240. Here 280 is the complete depth, 20 is the thickness of flanges. We will solve the problem in two steps. In first step, we will find moment of inertia about x-axis for the complete composite section. Solution: to determine moment of inertia of the I section, moment of inertia about centroidal x-axis for I section is equal to Ixx. Ixx is equal to moment of inertia of the complete rectangle section about x-axis minus moment of the shaded area minus moment of inertia of the shaded area about the complete x-axis. So Ixx is equal to, in bracket, Ix1 x1 plus a1 h1 square bracket close minus bracket open Ix2 x2 plus a2 h2 square bracket close, where Ix1 x1 centroidal moment of inertia about its own x1 x1 axis for rectangle section, Ix2 x2 is centroidal moment of inertia about its own x2 x2 axis for shaded area. A1 area of complete rectangle, which is capital B into capital D. A2 area of shaded portion, which is equal to 2 into small b into small d. H1 is equal to distance between x axis and x1 x1 axis. H1 is equal to 0 from figure, as x axis and x1 x1 axis lie on the same axis or the same line. H2 is equal to distance between axis x and axis x2 x2. H2 is equal to 0, as from the figure, axis x and axis x2 x2 lie on the same axis. जैसे मैंने डायग्राम एक्सप्लेन करते समय बताया था कि H1 और H2 वर्टिकल डायरेक्शन में, यानी अगर हम दोनों के बीच में का डिस्टेंस देखें तो ये 0 है, क्योंकि दोनों एक्सेस यानी रेक्टेंगल सेक्शन का एक्सेस आई सेक्शन से सेम ही है, वैसे ही शेडेड एरिया का एक्सेस और आई सेक्शन का एक्सेस सेम है, तो दोनों के बीच में डिस्टेंस 0 हुआ है. By applying parallel axis theorem, Ixx is equal to, in bracket, Ix1 x1 plus A1 H1 square bracket close minus in bracket open Ix2 x2 plus A2 H2 square bracket close. We know that Ix1 x1 is BD cube divided by 12 and Ix2 x2 is BD cube divided by 12. We substitute in the equation. We know H1 is equal to 0 and H2 is equal to 0. Therefore, substituting the value and simplifying it, we get Ixx is equal to in bracket capital B capital D cube divided by 12 minus in bracket small b small d cube divided by 12. Substituting the value, B capital B width of rectangle width of I section 100, capital D depth of I section 280 cube minus 2 into 45, that is the width of one side of shaded area, into 240, that is the depth of shaded area. So it's 2 into 45 into 240 whole cube. This whole bracket divided by 12. Answer Ixx is equal to 79.25 into 10 raised to 4 centimeter raised to